everyone, welcome to Shipraisi Learning. In the last lecture we have seen the word problems of quadratic equation. Continuing that lecture, today we are going to see word problem, right? So please अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती चलेंगी. सो आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. If this sum is different from the other we have solved, right? If 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the remainder. What is given in the question? 460 is divided, that means 460 is dividend, and by natural number quotient is 6 more. When more comes we do addition, right? Then 5 times means multiplication. It is multiplied by 5 times. 5 times multiplication has been done. The divisor and remainder is 1. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the remainder, right? The quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. So what are going to take supposition? Divisor be x, right? So let divisor be x, right? So now what will the quotient? Quotient is 6 more than 5 times. So quotient be 6 more than 5 times, that is 5 times, that is 5x, and more means addition. So plus 6. What is dividend? Dividend is 460. Be 460, right? And remainder is 1. Right? If you remember the formula, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This has been we have been learning from class 7. This is the formula for division. When we divide any number and if you want to check that it has been, the division has been done right or wrong, then we check it with this formula, right? That is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If the answer comes equal, then our division is correct. We have done this from class 7. So using this formula, I am going to replace all this value in this formula, right? So what is dividend? That is 460 is equals to divisor x into 5x plus 6, that is quotient, plus remainder, that is 1. So this becomes 460 is equals to x. This is multiplication, the relation between x into this bracket, right? The relation is multiplication. So x into 5x becomes 5x square plus 6x plus 1. So now 460 should be shifted this side. So this becomes 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equals to 0. So this becomes 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. Now check this equation is in quadratic equation form. Obviously yes, because the highest degree of x is 2. So 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. It is same as our standard quadratic form. That is ax square plus bx minus c is equals to 0. Now if you remember the formula method, the formula method was x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Do you remember this? Yes, we have done in the formula method, right? So substituting the values of this formula, so minus b is minus 6 plus minus under root 6 square minus 4 into 5 into 459 minus 459 whole divided upon 2 by 5, right? So now this becomes minus 6 plus minus under root. You can solve this under root separately also, as I have told you in the previous sum that b square under root b square minus 4ac can be solved separately first and replace that value in this form, right? So this becomes 36 minus 4 5s are 20. 20 into 459 becomes 9120 whole divided by 10. So this becomes minus 6 plus minus under root 9084 whole divided by 10. So under root comes out. So this becomes 96 whole divided by 10. Now separate the sign. Right? By separating sign, suppose I am doing minus first. Minus 6 minus 96 whole divided by 10. So this becomes minus minus plus. So this becomes 102 by 10. Right? Minus 102 by 10. So this will be, if see here, when in division, when denominator has a 0. So what we do? We put decimal point. Right? So this becomes minus 10.2. But as it is minus sign, can we calculate, can we include this? Obviously no. So next, this was alpha, this was beta. Now for alpha is equals to minus 6 plus 96 whole divided by 10. So this becomes 96 minus 90. Minus plus becomes minus. 96 minus 6 becomes 90. 90 by 10. 0, 0 gets cancelled. What is there? 9. So what is the divisor? Divisor is x. So I get 9. So x is equals to 9. See here. Now quotient. I have to find, what is the question? I want to find quotient and remainder. So quotient, divisor I got x, right? So what was the quotient? 5x plus 6. So in the place of x I am going to put 9. So this becomes 5 into 9 plus 6. 5 9s are 45 plus 6. So this becomes 51. So I got x, that is divisor is x and quotient is, so divisor is x and that is 9 and quotient is 51. Right? I think so you have understood this question. Shifting to the next question. The second question is, Raj wants to distribute 540 oranges among some students. If 30 students were more, each would get 3 oranges less. Find the number. See here, if you can understand the question, if 30 students were more, so this becomes plus 30. Each would get 3 oranges less. So this will become minus 3. In one sentence there are two conditions. First is 30 students were more. So this becomes plus 30. And second condition is each student would get 3 oranges less. So this is the second condition. This will become minus 3. So what is the total oranges? That is 540. So we have, Raj wants to distribute 540 oranges. So let the number of students be x. Supposition I have taken is student be x. Oranges would each student get will be 540 by x. Why here 540 by x? Because we are going to divide 540 into x number of students, right? We don't know how many number of students are there, so we are going to divide it, this 540 oranges into x, divide by x, because Raj wants to distribute 540 oranges among some students. The number of students has not been given in this question. So 540 has been divided into equally by each x number of students. So this becomes 540 by x. If 30 more than, means if 30 students were more, each would get x plus 30. So this becomes 540 upon x plus 30. Now what was the second condition? If 30 students were more, each would get 3 oranges less. So this becomes minus 3. But minus 3 of what? Of the original equation, that is 540 by x minus 3, right? So solving this both, this becomes 540 upon x plus 30 is equals to 540 by x minus 3. Now see here, what can we do here? Shifting minus 3 to this side and 540 upon x plus 30 to this side. So this becomes 3 is equals to 540 by x minus, this is plus, shifting to next side becomes minus 540 upon x plus 30, right? So can I take out 540 common? Obviously yes. So this becomes 540 into 1 by x minus 1 upon x plus 30, right? Now can you see here, is 3 and 540 be divisible by 3? 540 divisible by 3? Obviously yes. So dividing LHS and right RHS. LHS is left hand side and RHS, that is right hand side, divide by 3. So this becomes 3 by 3, 1, and 540 divided by 3 becomes 3 ones are 3, this becomes 180, and 1 by x minus 1 upon x plus 30, right? Now see here, 1 by x minus 1 upon x plus 30. Now can we multiply this both, or can we do the denominator same? Yes. So this is equals to 180 upon x into x plus 30. Now x into x plus 30. See here, I have only x here. I don't have x plus 30. So what I am going to do is multiplying denominator and numerator by x plus 30. By multiplying, I already have x plus 30 in the denominator. But in numerator, I have only 1. So 1 into x plus 30 becomes x plus 30. Now shifting to the next number, I have 1 upon x plus 30 here. I don't have x here. So what I am going to do is multiplying numerator and denominator by x. So this becomes x into x plus 30, that is x into x plus 30 I have. Now what is numerator remaining? 1 into x, this becomes minus x, right? So now see here, 1 is equals to 180 into, see this is plus x minus x gets cancelled. What is remaining here? 30 upon x into x becomes x square plus 30x, right? Now see here, 1 is equals to 180 into 30 upon x square plus 30x, right? Now can I multiply numerator 30 into 180? Yes. So what is that? So 180 into 30 becomes 18 3s are 54 and 00. Now upon x square plus 30x. Now this is denominator. When denominator shift to the opposite side becomes numerator. This is division, shifting to the next side becomes multiplication. So 1 into x square plus 30x becomes x square plus 30x is equals to 5400. Now 5400 shifting to this side. So x square plus 30x minus 5400 is equals to 0. Now check this one. Can we solve it by factorization method? Obviously yes. See what 5400. 5400, in which tables it is possible that by adding and subtracting we want the middle term, right? So 5400, that is 90 into 60. 90 into 60 becomes 5400. But addition or subtracting, right? That is 90 minus 60 becomes 30. So this becomes x square minus 90x minus 60x minus 5400 is equals to 0. Now see, the greater sign is addition. So 90 is a greater sign. So it will become addition. So what is remaining here? What is common here? X. Remaining x plus 90 minus, what is common here? 60. Smallest number. So this becomes x plus 90, because 60 into 90 becomes 5400 is equals to 0. Now I have x minus 60 and x plus 90 is equals to 0. Now x, this is minus 60. Going to the next side, that is x minus 60 is equals to 0, or x plus 90 is equals to 0. So this becomes x is equals to 60, and this is, or x is equals to minus 90. I got two terms, that is x is 60 and x is minus 90, but negative sign cannot be included. So let the total number of students be x. So I got the x value. So total number of students is, the number of students is equals to 60. So I got the number of student, that is number of student is 60. I think so you have understood this question. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.